if you was a single woman here, which one of them you want? Well, I got the authentic Jew in there.
And you said, but there's children here. Don't do that, please.
Well, kid, I ain't encouraging you to chew at all. You understand that?
Yeah.
And on a regular basis, I don't do it. But when I do these characters, then it is to be authentic. And I worked at Hopewell where we did casting, so I know what it's like to burn the hair straight off my arms. And we were using aluminum there. There she is, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, drop, man. You want to get her back right in there, boy. I'm telling you. Where we're going to be working, it's going to be dirty, filthy, stinking hot. And as I was told by the old guys who worked the furnace, they said, you better learn how